monkey love, travel. Packing bags, let's hit the gravel.
Welcome to Monkey Love Travel. My name is Jason, and today we have got a cabin tour of cabin 17238. This is a Cloud 9 spa inside cabin. So, really, the main difference between an inside cabin and a spa cabin is that you will get full access to the thermal suites in the spa anytime you like. So, it I mean, it is a little bit of an extra their fee to do all that, but it is absolutely, in my opinion, worth it. Now we only had the time to do it once, but we literally did all the suites in one day, and the you have the showers down there, or which is just amazing. So I recommend it. Like I said, included unlimited access to the thermal suites. Even from our cabin, if you walk down the corner and around, there was a private elevator that took you straight down to the thermal suites. You had to use your sign and sale card to get access to the elevator to have it go anywhere. But once you did that, it brought you right down to the suite. So it was absolutely fantastic. All right, so we're already in the cabin here. You can see that we did get the water package, and you can see the water bottles up top there. This tour is kind of quick. Um, we had a bunch of drama and stuff like that throughout the morning. We got escorted off the ship by security, and if you want to see that video, we gave the update and the full story in our live the other night. You can just go to our live tabs, and it's the most recent one there. But we're also going to have another video just on that next week, so stay tuned for that. So you can see there's all the closets there on your right. The closets were pretty cool. We'll get there. They had drop down shelving in it. The bed's super comfortable. As you can see, it's really a no frills room. Not a lot to it. It was very comfortable. It was very quiet. The only time we had any really noise to worry about is very first thing in the morning when they're setting up in the solarium deck up top, the spa deck, and then in the evening when they're kind of moving chairs around. But it was very short. It wasn't super loud. It didn't wake us up at all, so that was nice. It just you heard it if you happened to be awake. So right now I'm just kind of looking in the back to see if there was any regular plug accessible for my CPAP, which we were unable to find one. So we just kind of pushed the bed back. Luckily, the cord on my side, on the left side here, for my CPAP machine was able to reach all the way over to the desk. You see the refrigerator there. Comes with the yellow towels in the room, which are free to use anytime, just as long as you bring them back. You can take them off the ship as well. Just bring them back, or they'll charge you extra for it. They already had the card inserted into the AC slot there to keep your AC on. Room was nice and cool. We're going to go here and check out the bathroom real quick. The bathroom is small. The shower was good though. I felt, I'm a big guy, so I had plenty of room in the shower. No problem. I like the fact that the door is glass. You don't have to worry about that silly shower curtain. But no, it's not a fancy bathroom. It did its job. We were comfortable. We didn't spend a ton of time in our room anyway, so it was just a place to rest our head. The only downfall is I would have liked for it to have some sort of chair, but I guess that's one of the things you're giving up if you're having spa access. So you can see those shelves fold down. I just couldn't do it one handed. So they fold down, give you extra storage, or fold up if you have long clothing that you want to hang. I liked it. I liked that idea. I thought it was very nice. As you can see there on that side, shelving is already in place. You have your safe. small safe, and then the wire baskets were pretty cool. And then the bottom, we put all of our shoes right there in the bottom. It worked out nicely. That way we didn't have to have them stuck under the bed or laying out right there by the door. It was very convenient for us. And that's pretty much going to do it for this tour of our room. Like I said, it was a no frills room. But be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. That way you can see our next videos coming out. And thanks for watching.
Monkey love, oh monkey love, travel. Pack your bags, let's hit the gravel.